Greetings, 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 my lovelies, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to attempt to show you how I make some closures. So the first closure I'm going to make is with these little hooks right here, and these are picture hanger hooks, and you can find these in places like Home Depot or Lowe's or somewhere like that. You can also find them online, but I found them at Lowe's and Home Depot. So let's assume that this is your book cup. This is your book. This is the front, and this is the back of the book. And you want to make a closure with these little paint hangers. So what I do is I take my book and I put the little paint hanger on the book, and the little paint hanger it will move it'll move back and forth, so there's like a little groove in it, and I put my paint holder right in that little groove and take my hole puncher and punch the hole through both sides of the book, or one side, whichever side you're working on, but it's easier if you just punch it through both sides, so that way you got your hole on both sides. And then you take the little paint hook and you take some brads. You can take some regular little teeny brads like this and use them, but the brads that I use, I like the glitter brads, and I think these are made by Recollection. I'm not absolutely sure. I think they're by Recollection. Anyway, I got them at Michael's, and they come on a little tray, and they have glitter and different colors and whatnot. So I take the little brad and put it through the little hole on the paint hanger, and then put it through the hole on my book and open it up. Open it up like that. That. Open it up and lay it down like that, and so then it's on there. And I do the same thing. I would do the same thing to the other side of the book. I take my little picture hanger and put my brad through it, through that hole, and through the hole in my book cover, and open it up like that. And so now I have my holder there. So what you could do with this, you could put ribbon through it. I did one with ribbon through it, and I did one with a chain through it. You can, it's pretty much there where you can put whatever you want through it to complete that closure. But that is how you put the little brad on there. That is how you put the little hook on there. And you do this the same way if you're going to put a chain. Let's say that was the spine of the book, and I was going to put a chain on it. And let's just say this was the spine of my book, and I'm going to put a chain on it. And so the chain would just hang right on this little hook like that. See that? So the purpose of this is just to get that little hook. And in order to get the hook, I use a brad, and I like to use the glitter brads because they make it look so pretty. So yeah, that's one way you could close your book with these. Now I'm going to show you another way with a button. You could take a button with the loop on it. So you know, there are different kinds of button. There's a button with just holes in it. You could use that one too. You could use the button with holes in it with a small brad, and you could put the small brad in one of the holes on the button and then put it on. Hello? Okay, so with a button with holes in it, you can just put the brad through one of the holes, and let me put a hole in this. Put your hole in wherever you're gonna put it, and put the brad through one of the holes on the button and push it through just like that, and it's on there like that. See that? So now that's a regular button with like 3 or 4 holes in it. Now what I would do to this, you could leave it like that on there, but what I would do to this is I would decorate. I would probably put some sari on there. I would take a little piece of sari and glue it on top of that button if I used the regular button like that. So yeah, that's another way that you can do it. And you can do that with paper buttons too. I use paper buttons, and I put that little brad through there the same way. So now I'm going to show you how I would do it if let's say it didn't have anything up under there to grip onto, but it has holes in it, like this little piece of jewel. This is just a little jewel. I think it was an earring or something, but it had some little holes in it. So what I did was I ran a piece of wire through it. And so I will take that, punch my hole wherever it's gonna go, punch the hole, and take that wire and push it through your hole. Wait a minute, let me cut this wire. Take the piece of wire and push it through the hole wherever it's gonna go, if it's a closure, and then it will be in there like that. And then I would take this and open it up. I would wrap it around a couple of times, and then I would open it up, open that wire up, just like that, like that. And then I tape it down and put my paper on top of it. And then you have this beautiful little design for your closure. See that? So that's another idea for closing. And you could do the same thing with a fat button with the notch on the bottom of the button with the hole in the loop. And I would just put a wire through there and pull it through just like I did that one, and let it lay down just like that. Yeah. So I hope that helped you a little bit. I hope that helped you out a little bit. Let me see, something else I wanted to show. Let me see. What else was it I wanted to show? Okay, I guess that's it, because I don't see anything else that I need to show. So I guess that's it. Oh, I'm going to show you how I put the button on the Gothic Gypsy. And it's pretty much the same way I did that, but I'm going to show you how I papered it and everything. So I'll show that at the end of this video. So I hope that helps you with some closures, helps you to do some closures and use these little paint hangers, because they're really great for closing books. They're great for putting your charms on. You could do a ribbon back and forth, like a laced ribbon with these. They do good with that. So yeah, anyway, hope that helps you. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you liked what I showed you, or hit that dislike button if you didn't like what I showed you. Either way, it helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you for loving me, and I love you. Much love. You know that ain't gonna work? Okay. Fuck. Okay. Greetings, 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 my lovelies, and I am back with another video. And today, my lovelies, I am going to begin a new Gothic series. And so I'm going to create some Gothic journals. And this first one is themed around this little button. This is a little button that I found at Joann's, and oh my god, I fell in love with this little button. And so I'm going to build this little Gothic journal around this little button. So yeah, and I'm going to get started with it today, and you'll be able to find this one in my Elegant Tools store at www.sharonb.com. Yeah. So.
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers, we could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out of my head. In my own way, just feel like living some alternate reality. And I was drowning, but now I'm swimming through stressful waters to relief. Yeah, all the things I do to spend a little time in hell. And what I won't tell you, I'll probably never even tell myself. Don't you know that sunshine don't feel right when you're inside all day? I wish it was nice out, but it looked like rain. Gray skies are drifting, not living forever. They told me it only gets better. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers, we could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out of my head. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers, we could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out of my head. In my own way, just feel like living some alternate reality. And I was drowning, but now I'm swimming through stressful waters to relief. Yeah, all the things I do to spend a little time in hell. And what I won't tell you, I'll probably never even tell myself. Don't you know that sunshine don't feel right when you're inside all day? I wish it was nice out, but it looked like rain. Gray skies are drifting, not living forever. They told me it only gets better. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers, we could be